So leaders, once you get your students loaded in your class, you can assign whatever you would like or not. This is what the student experience looks like. And so if you would like to share my class code with your students, and then just have them log in as a guest, you are very welcome to do that. The class code is right here. So if they go to guest, then this is what they're going to see. They can search by their reading level, which I don't necessarily recommend, but they can do that if they would like to. There's comics, stories that we'll read to the students, videos, as well as audiobooks. So this is a little bit just kind of a preview for you. You can see there's fiction and nonfiction, lots of stuff. All kinds of things. It's not just stories for younger kids. It's really, truly for everybody. I want to show you what Adventure Time looks like because I really like Adventure Time. So when you click on the book, in order to read, you can just click, and the cursor turns into this little arrow, and it's just exactly like reading an ebook. So there's lots of cute stuff. When they're done with that, they can just click the X. It's really pretty intuitive. It's pretty easy. And so yeah, if you have any questions, if students have questions, if they're having a hard time with something, then please feel free to reach out to me. Yeah, it's pretty easy, pretty user-friendly, and a really great resource for ebooks.